making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
Good afternoon. Maulan na hapon at malamig. Dito pala kami sa Mount kasi
we're going to the Mount Gambier show.
Yeah, umuulam na nga ako ang daddy niya na pupunta kayo dito. Yes, I do. So, si Saka at si Holly lang. Si Kuya hindi sumama kasi malaki na si Kuya dito. Hindi niya natubet na mga ganito. May mga ride siya. Yung parang piyesta sa atin. Ganon. So, yeah. Dito tayo. Dala ko yung DJI. Nakalimutan ko lang ilagay yung SD card. Ibalik kasi nagtatransfer ako ng gabi ng mga files. Kami ng ticket. Gamit ko yung phone ni Zach. This is nice, Zach. It's really clear than mine.
Because I've got mine on.
May nag-hi sa akin na grupo na girls. Kilala, you know them, Baba?
I know one.
Okay, they call me.
Holly, not any right, stunk me.
Grupo sila. How old are they, do you think, Holly? Same as...
They're in the same year as Taylor.
Yeah, okay. Kaidara ni Kuya, mga babae, ang gaganda nila. So, naglakay, nalampasan namin sila. Tapos tinawag nila yung pangalan ko. Sabi niya, hi, Chona. So, lumingon ako. So, sabi ko, wala akong kakilala dun. Hey, hi, we're watching your YouTube. Tapos nahiya talaga ako. Sabi ko dyan, hello, babe. Yeah. Oh, nice. Ay ko, alam, may nanonood na sa akin mga classmate ni Kuya. Well, is it TJ's classmate na? Yeah. So siguro sa schoolmate ni Kuya. Kaya nahiya na sila Kuya sumama sa vlog. Siguro dahil nga nakikilala na sila doon dahil sa ating vlog. Do you know them, Sa? Saki? Do you know them? Ha?
Yeah, he does. That's why they all stop.
Kaya nga, tumigil sila doon. Grupo sila. Repost our TikTok?
No, yours.
My TikTok? They reposted? Oh. Ito kasi active na baby. They want Saki boy.
Oh, who cares that?
Ha? Okay.
No,
Ito pala yung show. So ayan, mag-tour muna tayo dito. So ito pala yung tsura ng... Ay. So yun na nga, inaasar ni Jan si Zach. Anyway, ito yung Mount Gambier show. Andun na sila. Mag-toilet lang yung si Zach. Andun sila. Ayun si Jan. Umuulan. Maganda kahapon yung weather. Medyo mainit. Ngayon umuulan. And may ATM kasi cash lang yung tinatanggap nila. Kaya meron sila ditong ATM. Ah, yeah. Where are they? Ah, yeah. Masarap to. Ayan. 25 acres. Masarap sila. Ayan. Dito ako kakain. Dito ako kakain. Wala pa akong kinain since morning. Tubig lang ako. Anong oras na? 4? Ang daming makakainan din dyan. Dami din dyan. Muulan nga lang. Pinabahan na. Ayan. Nilalagyan na nila ng gravel or sand. Kasi lumalalim na yung tubig. Pa kami ng food. So dito tayo mag-order. Masarap ang pagkain nila. Yes, the loaded one. So siya gusto niya spiral potatoes. Kumuha pala ako dito ng cookies. Thank you. Can you put it in your packet please? Thank you. Nihintay pa namin yung order namin eh. Si Holly dito nakapila. Ako hindi pa tinatawag yung pangalan ko doon. Thank you. Not yet. Wait, it's hot. So, ito yung loaded chips. Meron siyang chicken and lamb. And, yan. Iba-ibang sauce. Where are they, Zach? Wala na sila dito. Mamaya, dito yan pipila si Holly. Ang sarap. So, tapos na akong kumain. Ang sarap ng kinain namin ni Holly. Ayan, magra-ride na raw siya. Which one you want, Papa? What ride are you gonna ride? Don't know. Hindi niya pa alam. Hindi pa siya makapag-decide kung anong dati-datis.
Oh, yeah,
You?
You go back with it, you're right. That's slow.
my God, si Holly, sasakay sila dyan. Oh my God, hindi ko na yan kaya. La Holly ng next. Good luck, Baba.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare Him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy.
Ito naman yung next. Ito naman sila sa skydiver.
To the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods.
Ito naman sila sa skydiver.
Rocks, hills, and plains repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat
magra-ride na sila. Nandito na sila, Brock. Ayun. At saka si Mitch. Dito sila magra-ride. Dito naman sila sa Cyclone.
He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love. Sing joy, sing, 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 sing joy, sing joy, sing
How's the ride, Zach? Kumain na pala si Zach na katulad niyan kay Jan. Corn, what do you call that dog? That hot dog, Zach? Corn dog? What do you call that one? DP dogs? A dog with dog. And nag-order ulit kami ng yung chips na merong lemon chicken. Kasi gusto ni Holly. Umuulan na. Yeah, lumipat kayo dito sa isang tent. Kumuha si dyan ng jam donuts. Ayan. Meron doon na ano, what do you call that? Meron doon na parang horse. Not horse. What do you call that? Bull. Meron doon na parang ano, Texas cow. Bull. So ayan, donut na kami. Bahay na kami. Grabe, lumakas na yung ulan. And ayan na yung kanilang show bags. Si Sak basang-basa. Look at you. You're wet. What's that one?
American show bag.
American show bag. Okay.
I got marshmallow fluff.
Is it good?
I got
Ayan. Okay, mug. American stuff.
I get one? You get choice.
No, you get this. I thought you get... Yeah, you got different one. Ah.
This is squash.
Yeah.
Twinkie.
Twinkie.
You get these two. Do you like these? So what do I get? One?
But yeah, I love Butterfingers.
Butterfinger.
Butterfinger.
And the bar chocolate.
That's not American.
Is it? Oh. What? Is that the actual one?
We're gonna try that one, Zach. I'm gonna try that one. Okay. What's yours, Kuya? Eto, kinuha namin si Kuya kahit hindi siya sumama.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay,
No,
Zach.
just do it with that bag.
Okay. Are they the same? Yeah, the same lang. Ayun yung kay Kuya.
These.
What's that? Show me. What's that? Show it properly, Zach. They don't see it.
Yeah, can I try this?
Yeah, later you can try. Yeah, you can take yours. The same lang.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Don't know what these are.
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, I cannot read it.
We got sour gummy dips. Exactly. Sour powder bubble gum. These
What's that?
sour, they're the same as the purple but pink.
Ayan.
Zappos. The same. Pizza. Millions.
Millions.
Gecko.
Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot of lollies.
Sour Fizzer. Another bubble gum. Another fizzer. And it's all the same other stuff.
Okay. Halloween next week. Ang dami ng lollies.
How's it open?
Mag-shopping pa pala tayo for Halloween.
And just lollipops.
Okay, thank you, Saki boy.
Look how much this stuff.
I know, that's a lot. We can put that for Halloween, Zach, when the kids comes here. Okay.
Oh my. Okay. Guys, do you want to try this?
Yeah.
Wait, why?
You try it first.
Why is there this in a trolley in a Zappo bag?
Is it good, Zach?
It's like SARS. Like,
Oh yeah, it's there. Yeah. Coke and what you call Coke and they mix something.
what'd you have for tea?
Oh,
Jam with dogs?
you know what we had? The one you like, Kuya, from 25 Acres.
Okay, Mom.
You know, in Marketplace.
Mom, my turn. Okay. So first I'm gonna do
Para siyang root beer.
my full of fizz. So
Mhm.
I got this Gator Pop. So, and I've got it's like dipping.
Yeah, super
Sticks
sour.
in there and then you dip. I've got this, you squeeze it, and then it would like come out.
Is it lollies? Everything's lollies.
Yeah. But I got some stuff that aren't long.
How many bags did
I got
you
two.
get to? Hindi.
I've got
Pumunta pala ako sa car kasi nilamig na ako. Tapos, umuulan din.
this is the only thing that can go in the Halloween bowl.
Alright, okay.
I got this sherbet. It's a full sherbet. And I've got
Share with everyone.
Is that mine?
this. I'm gonna show you what it's like.
What's that one?
It's like, yeah, I'll show you.
I might try to divide one. That's not even a lolly.
Like it's in summer as well. Cold.
It's
No,
freezing.
that's right. I don't even want to
But we see a lot of your friends.
It's like this, guys.
Yeah, put it up there, Twinkie.
Like that.
Yeah.
And
Na
it's
si
just
Jan, pinasave na yung
like this,
Twinkie.
guys. Ready?
Oh no, there's that many people around here.
Holly went on the big rides.
Yeah, Holly had a good time. Even Zach.
Okay,
I'm
and
trying this.
Wow, the Dubai.
this. Oh,
Okay, do it your
this is the
haul
last thing.
first.
And I got this as well. It's the bomb spray. So you squeeze this. And you'll squeeze. Okay, so that's all what's in
You
this
try it
bag.
first, Zach. May ginawa ako dyan na parang yung ano ba yan? Yung nag-homemade ako kasi wala akong mabilan dito. Yung hindi ko alam paano i-pronounce yun. Nakalimutan ko na rin yung tawag. Kaya basta ilagay ko na lang dyan. May ginawa ko pero hindi ko pa nagagawang malagyan ng pistachio. Oh, you should. Okay.
Oh, guys, this is
Oh,
What is this?
is it green?
guys.
Yeah, that's the one. No, it's not peppermint. It's pistachio. You should show the inside, Zach. No, that one. That's alright. No, I don't like it.
Fries out.
No, Zach? No, I don't like it.
Doesn't look like the thing.
Dubai, yeah. The
It's
Dubai.
not.
You like it?
Look
Gusto
at
ni
the
Jam.
inside.
Put it in the fridge.
Put it in the fridge. Daddy likes it. Kasi yung nakikita namin is a bit soft, right, Zach? When you crack the chocolate. You like it, huh? Huh?
Okay.
You like it?
Like a
It's like Kit Kat.
blue Kit Kat.
And a crunchy.
The crunch is
Okay.
parang Kit Kat daw.
I got this.
Try the rest now, off that.
Yeah, you're wet, Saki.
It's a bowl.
Real work.
Oh, your mess, please.
That does not look like the package.
Okay. So I got this. Mentos, guys.
All I'm having is just fluff and the party. That's it.
That's rubbish.
Rubbish, please. No rubbish, please.
Yeah, I'll use that.
What?
Okay, come on, Baba. 7 minutes here. Thanks.
I've got one sour tongue painter. I've got this sour fizz drop. I also got
Magastos sa show, guys. Magastos. Aside sa
super sour drop.
entrance, ang ride is $15 per ride. Plus yung lolly bags. Oh, show bags.
Then I got this.
And this.
Then I got
This.
Then I got this.
My God.
Then I got
We can put that in the
Then I got
Halloween
Then I got this.
bowl.
Then I got this.
Kasi yan, bibili ako ng mga lollies para sa Halloween
Then
eh.
I got this. Then I got this.
Oh my God. Okay, they're all the same?
This. Then I got
Okay.
this. Then I got this.
Never ending.
This. Then I got this.
Okay, yan guys. Okay, continue ko na lang to. At least na-enjoy ni Holly yung while sila nila Zach.
Ready, guys?
What's that? Ah, that ball.
Wrap it around just like this.
And good afternoon. Dito pala ako sa school ng kids. And si Jan, andyan din siya. Ako susundin ko si Holly kasi may dancing. Si Jan naman susundin si Kuya kasi may bibilhin sila. Pwede naman sana si Kuya sa akin. Kaso sabi ni Kuya ayaw niya maghintay kay Holly sa dancing. Maya hanggang 6 o'clock kasi si Holly. So ayaw ni Kuya magstay dito ng matagal. Kaya si Jan magsundo sa kanya. And sila na lang ang bibili ng mga kakailanganin ni Kuya para sa kanyang school camp this week. So yeah, hinintay lang namin sila.
Look, she's looking.
No, she's not.
Told
Oh yeah, she's running
Told ya.
now.
She loves Dad.
She loves me too. Tumatakbo na si Holly.
Oh, that's better. Oh. Say that.
See ya.
Love you.
Say that. Say that. Hurry up, come on, Lane.
Mum, it's freezing in here.
See ya. Kuya! Si Kuya nahiya siya, oh. Hindi na lumingon.
Mum, you didn't find my handbag.
Ready na siya lumingon.
Mum, we're not ready.
See you, alligator.
See you later, alligator.
After ng guys ni Holly, nag-grocery kami ng mga babaunin nila. Bukas balik ulit ako dito. Bahay na pala kami ni Holly. And ayan yung mga pinamili ko kanina. And nagluluto ako ng dinner. And ayan, sausages yung ating dinner tonight.
And potatoes.
And potatoes. And si Kuya, yan yung binili nila ni Daddy sa Mount. Rashi and lunch bag. Kasi yung binili namin sa Yamba, malit. Yeah. And a towel.
Better one, better. Because my old one, I bend over and see my bum. And then this one has holes to put like, go like that. Instead of like,
Bumili siya ng towel. May towel na siyang binili sa Yamba. What do you mean? Is this same, Kuya?
no, this is
Mum,
bigger.
feel how soft it is.
What do you mean different? What's the difference?
Bigger.
It's bigger.
The other one's too
So,
small.
Saka can have that one then. The other one. So, yan yung binili niya. Kasi nga, Wednesday siya cup or tomorrow? Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Tapos Wednesday yung balik niya.
I'm gonna come back to
Ah, no. Friday pala. Sorry, Friday. So, why you only want one shapes? Ay, mag-share na lang daw sila. Kasi nagbilin siya sa akin na bilang ko na siya ng
Hey,
shapes.
you can have two.
You can have some of this, Kuya.
I'm not gonna bring any
Bawal silang magdala ng lollies. Alright.
Yeah, he can put roll.
So, yan yung ganap namin today.
And yeah, I don't know roll.
Ayan, nalagyan ko na ng gravy yung aming sausages. So, malapit na silang kumain. Ayan si Kuya. Ready na sa kanyang camping. Ang balik niya sa Friday pa. And ito ready na rin sa school. Morning.
Morning. Bye, Mom. Love you.
Love you. Enjoy your camp, Kuya. Love you, Yan.
Bye, Mom. Love you.
Love you too. Anders up. Can you pick that one, please?
Zach.
Babe, pick that one.
I got all my cow shit on my shoes, babe. You want me to get it or not?
Yeah, get it.
Alright.
You're unreal. And bring that one now, honey.
No, fill it up.
Dito pala tayo sa farm. And ayan si Jan. Nag-deliver siya ng kahoy doon sa gumagawa. Dala niya yung gamit niya yung tractor. And ginawan ko siya ng lunch. Late lunch na to. Kasi 1:30 na. Hindi siya nag-fishing. Kasi busy siya dito. At saka hindi rin maganda yung maalon. Okay yung araw, yung sikat ng araw, pero maalon. Yan yung dinadala niya. Ito yung kanyang lunch. Kaya siya ng lunch niya. And may pa-dessert ako sa kanya. Kasama to nung binili namin kahapon. Niloload lang nila yung kahoy. Tapos punta sila doon. Doon na nila kinakat. Well, hindi siya. Mayroong nag-work. Siya lang ang tumutulong mag-load ng kahoy. Kasi gamit yung tractor. It's cold, Han. The wind, it's cold. Ayaw ko sa mga baka.
This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go.